Hello everyone, this is my user and my mum's actually as well. Lenovo laptop computers. This, just to remind you, but the thingy here is broken. Anyway, about that. Nice keys there. Some mouse. It's blue. It's a Windows 7 Intel i3 core processor. Okay, machine. And power on here. My old one used to be 260 gig hard drive and a 3 gig RAM. My new one has 500 gig hard drive and a 4 gig RAM. So I've got bits, so yeah. I'm just gonna have to put my control delete in it. Just gonna put it here because you can't really see. So this will be my other users, like I just said earlier. It's just right over here. And if I click on that, it will just go to the home screen. And then that's my account, which is just over here. Which is just actually over here. And that will be my account over here. So I'm just going to go over to my account. And we just need to put the password in. There we go. And then I'll do that later. And we'll finish loading. So, have a look at the latest software here now. There you go. So it's Windows 7 Home Beast. Copyright by 2009. Yeah. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed. Please give some thumbs up. Cheers.